Hello and welcome back to More Stories. Today, we journey to the sun-drenched savannas and woodlands of Africa to meet one of its most graceful and iconic residents, the impala. You've probably seen them in documentaries, effortlessly leaping through the grasslands, a perfect picture of elegance and agility. But there's so much more to these incredible antelopes than just their famous jumps. So, what makes the impala so successful and widespread across the continent? Let's start with their social life, which is surprisingly complex. Impalas live in two main types of groups. The first is a harem, led by a single dominant male who fiercely protects a herd of females and their young. These males are easy to spot with their beautiful, lyre-shaped horns. They spend their days patrolling their territory, marking it with scents, and making loud, snorting calls to ward off any rivals. It's a tough job, and a male's reign is often short-lived, as younger, stronger challengers are always waiting for their chance. The second type of group is the bachelor herd. This is where all the other males hang out: the young, the old, and those who have been defeated in a fight for a harem. It's like a waiting room and a training ground all in one. Here, young males spar with each other, practicing the skills they'll need one day to win their own territory and family. This social system ensures that only the strongest and fittest males get to pass on their genes. Now, let's talk about that incredible leap. An impala can jump over 3 meters high and cover a distance of up to 10 meters in a single bound. It's not just for show, this is their primary defense mechanism. When a predator like a leopard, cheetah, or wild dog is spotted, the herd explodes into a chaotic series of high-speed, zigzagging leaps. This confusion makes it incredibly difficult for a predator to single out and catch any one individual. It's a brilliant strategy of survival by organized chaos. Their diet is another key to their success. Impalas are what we call mixed feeders, which means they are not picky eaters. During the wet season, when grass is plentiful, they graze happily. But in the dry season, when the grasses wither, they switch to browsing, eating leaves, shoots, and pods from bushes and trees. This adaptability allows them to thrive in various environments and survive when other animals might struggle to find food. One of the most fascinating aspects of impala life is their synchronized birthing. In many regions, most female impalas will give birth within the same few weeks. This is a clever evolutionary tactic. By flooding the landscape with newborn calves all at once, they overwhelm predators. There are simply too many young ones for predators to hunt, so a higher percentage of calves manage to survive those critical first few weeks. An impala fawn can stand and run within hours of birth and quickly joins the herd for protection. Sadly, like many African wildlife, impalas face threats from habitat loss due to human expansion and agriculture. While they are not currently endangered, their populations are affected by these pressures. Conservation efforts that protect their savanna and woodland homes are vital to ensuring these elegant athletes continue to leap across the African plains for generations to come. So, the next time you see an impala, remember you're not just looking at a beautiful animal. You're seeing a master of adaptation, a social strategist, and an incredible survivor. Thanks for joining us on More Stories today. If you enjoyed learning about the amazing impala, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss our next wildlife adventure. See you next time.